Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 1st. Yes, April Fool's Day today. The first Friday of the month. You know, we have here a speed test of April, yes, with the light Sudoku and the heavy Sudoku. And I've told you yesterday, we have a lot of snow, yeah, in April. How could that be in April? Yes. So the news of the day, let me show you. It's winter, yes, winter. Well, this man is cycling in the winter. Here, snowing in April. Well, speed test, in April, yeah, first Friday of the month. We start with the light Sudoku. It will be number 43. Oh, wait. Zoom out. Yes. Uh, 4344. It will be. 44. This is correct. Let me check. 4344. Yes. So let's get started. We have 9 big squares. Each big square with 4 printed digits, 36 printed digits. So let's get started. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 here 1 there 1 1 1 here 1 there 1. Okay, 2 2 2 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 and a 6 6 5 6 and 4 7 1 2 3 and 9, I believe. Yeah, 9 2 and 7. This should be the 8 2 and 3 2 let me see. 4 6 5 and 7. This will be 1 2 8. With all the 8s, no, the 8. This should be the 7. 5 and the 9. 5 9 and the 7. This should be the 8. No. the 5. Here. 7 and the 7 and 2. 7 and 9. 9. Finished. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Alright. Finish in 5 minutes. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. In 5 minutes. Alright. If you like this Sudoku Light, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes. I'm analyzing those numbers. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. Here we have the 271, the 271, the 639, the 639. And the 567, 567. We have the 6 as a pair, the 7 as a pair. 2, 3, 1, 9. 2 pairs. Alright, thank you. In a minute, I will see you the Sudoku Heavy. Also, speed test. Until then, bye bye for now.